Hello students, welcome to today's session. In this video, I am going to start a new chapter, that is input in Java, and we will be covering three topics: packages, input and errors. So, let us start with packages. Package, it simply means collection of classes. Okay, so packages are nothing but collection of classes. I am sure most of you must have used the scanner class. So, to use the scanner class, you have to import the util package, isn't it? So, you have to write this statement: import java.util.star, or you can write import java.util.scanner. So, either way you have to use the util class. The scanner class is present inside the util package. So, this util is a package here. Similarly, this Java is also a package. We can say that Java is the root package which contains all the other packages. Okay, just like when you create a folder, inside the folder you can have other folders as well as files, isn't it? Similarly, this Java is the root folder within which you have all the other packages that are available in Java. Okay. For example, AWT package, net package, IO package, the lang package. Okay, these are just a few examples of the packages which are available in the root package, that is Java. And this scanner is one of the classes present inside the util package. Okay. So, when you write this statement, the second one, that means you are importing only the scanner class within your program. Okay. But if you write star, that means you are importing all the packages, okay, all the packages of util. I'm sorry, it's not all the packages, it's all the classes of the util package. Okay. So, that is the meaning of star. When you write star, you are importing all the classes that are available in the util package. Okay. So, you can see here I am on the official website of Oracle, okay, which provides the JDK. So, here you can see that there is a description of the java.util package. So, you can see a list of all these classes. Okay, all these are classes that are present in the util package. Okay, and the most commonly used, in fact, the only packages that we will be using is this scanner class. Okay. Apart from this scanner, you can see that there are so many other classes as well. So, for example, you have got this arrays class, bit set class, calendar class, collections class, currency class, date class, so many classes are there. Okay. So, according to our requirement, we can pick the different classes, or we can import the entire package within our program. Okay. So, I hope that you understand what is the meaning of package. Okay. So, package is a collection of classes, as you can see the collection here. Okay. So, this is the collection, so many classes are there, classes within one package. Okay. This is just the util package. Okay. So, now we can try to make our own package. Okay. And we'll use the class which we create in our package in a different package by importing. Okay. So, now we are going to discuss custom packages, how you can make your own packages. Okay. So, for that you need to open BlueJ and you need to create a new project. Okay. And then you need to right click in the project window, right click and click on new package. When you click on new package, it will ask you the package name. So, here I am going to write the package name as package 1. Okay. So, this is my package 1. Within package 1, okay, I am double clicking on package 1. So, this new window comes up. So, within this package 1, I am going to create two new classes. One will be student class and another class will be teacher class. Okay. So, I have already written the code for it to save time. So, I am just going to copy it and paste here. Okay. So, you can see by default that there is this statement here right in the first line, package 1, package 1. Okay. That means this line shows that this class student belongs to package 1. Okay. Fine. So, the code has been pasted and let's get the code for the teacher class as well. So, this is our teacher class. Okay, done. And the code is very simple, nothing complicated. I have got two instance variables, name and address, in the teacher class, and I have got two functions, one is set and the other one is get. Okay. Set function will simply set the name of the teacher to WXYZ and the address of the teacher will be Pluto. Okay. And the get function will simply print the name of the teacher, that is WXYZ, and address of the teacher, that is Pluto. Okay. And the code for the student class is very similar as well. In the student class, I have got name, age as the instance variables, then I have got a set function to set the age and name, and then I have got the get function to print the name and age. Okay. So, notice in the student class we have this first line as package 1. It shows that the student class belongs to the package 1, and if I open the teacher class, here also you can see that I have got package 1. It means that the teacher class also belongs to package 1. Okay. So, our package 1 is created, and make sure that you have compiled both the classes. Okay. So, I am going to close this now and I am going to come back to our main project window. So, here you can see package 1. If I double click, you can see within package 1 I have got student and teacher. Okay. So, now I am going to create within my project, I am going to create another package and I will name it as package 2. Okay. So, within package 2, I have double clicked and opened the package 2, it is empty right now. I am going to create a new class here and I will name it as school. Okay. So, by default you can see that the school class belongs to package 2, not package 1, package 2. Okay. Notice this. Okay. So, now what I want to do is, let me close everything here and come back to the project window. What I want to do is, I want to use the classes which are part of package 1 inside my package 2. Okay. So, if I want to do that, what I have to do is, okay, first of all what I need to do is, I need to make the functions public here, so that they are available inside other packages as well. Okay. So, I have made the functions public. In the teacher class I am going to do the same thing. Okay. So, now we are set, compile it, that is done. Okay. Come back to package 2. In the package 2, open the school class. So, in the school class I am going to see, I want to use the student class and the teacher class in this package 2. Okay. So, first of all let me try to make an object here. Okay. An object of the student class, student. Okay. Student s1 is equal to new student. Okay. And similarly let me make an object of the teacher class, teacher t1 is equal to new teacher. You can see I have created two objects, s1 and t1. s1 is of type student and t1 is of type teacher. But right now you can see that there is an error. Okay. What is the error? Cannot find symbol student, and if I place my mouse cursor on the teacher, which is underlined with red color, you can see that it is showing cannot find symbol class teacher. Okay. That means it is not able to find the class student and it is not able to find the class teacher. Okay. Because they are not available inside this package. Okay. Within package 2, if you see that we do not have a student class or a teacher class, that is why we are getting the error. Okay. So, what is the solution? Just like see, if I try to import a scanner, if I try to make a scanner object here, if I try to make a scanner object here, so what will happen? Even this line will give me a similar error, cannot find symbol class scanner, you see, and that is the reason why we have to write import java.util.star to get the package which contains the scanner class. Similarly, we have to write the import statement here which contains the student and teacher class. Okay. We have to import the package which contains the student and teacher class. So, let us do it. I am going to write here import. So, what was the package name? The package name in which the student and teacher class are residing, the package name is package 1, right. So, you can see here they are available inside the package 1. Okay. And here also if you double click on package 1, you can see this student and teacher class available inside it. Okay. So, here I am going to write import package 1. Okay. That is it. I am going to compile. Okay. I have to write import package. So, that is the syntax, isn't it? Import package 1 dot star. Dot star means I am going to import all the classes which are present inside the package 1. That is the meaning of star, isn't it? I explained it already. So let me compile again, and let us remove this line that's not needed. Okay. Wow. So now you can see that there is no syntax error. The class has compiled. Isn't that great? Okay. So fine. Now I want to use the functions which are there inside the student and teacher class. Okay, just like after you have created the scanner object, you can use sc dot next int, next float, next line. Similarly, we have the student and teacher class available now, so we can use their functions. You know, s1 has also got get, set. Okay. So both the classes have got the functions get and set. Okay, so we are going to call them. Okay, so s1 dot, I will call get first. Sorry, I am going to set first. Okay, that will set the name and age of the student. Okay, and then I am going to call the get function, which will simply print it. Alright, I have not made a function here. That's very silly of me. Every Java statement should be present inside a function. So let's create the main function here. Okay, so the main function is created. Okay, so now let's compile it and let's have a look at the output. Great. Beautiful, isn't it? It's printing name of the student ABCD and age of the student is 200. If you remember the code, let's go back to package 1, and in student we have got this set function which sets the name to ABCD and age which sets the age to 200. So we call the set function so that the values are set for name and age, and then later in the second part we call the get function which will simply print the name and age. Okay, and that is what happened. Okay, let's come back to our school class and call the get and set functions of the teacher class as well. So the object is T1 for the teacher. So T1 dot set. Okay, I will set it first. Okay, what will happen if I just call get? If I call get directly, it will just print the default value. Okay, so default value of string is null. You see, the default value of string is null. That is why it is printing null here. So let's call the set function so that we don't get null and we get the proper values here. So I'll call the set function, and let's have a look at the output now. So you can see name of student, age of student is being printed, and then name of teacher and address of teacher is being printed. Okay, so this was a demonstration of how you can create your own custom packages. So in this video we understood what are packages and how to create custom packages. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I'll stop here. Thank you.